And Steve from All Star Case Breaks. We're doing 2020 Elite Extra Edition baseball for Roy.
It's 5. Okay, yeah. You must be in Alabama. Yeah, just one moment. Just one moment, please.
What's up?
It's the gentleman you spoke with before. He was to send you. I told him.
Juan Vito out of 45.
Okay. It's all.
Thank you.
Logan Allen out of 9.99. Max Meyer,
Hey,
USA.
I'm sorry, what's up?
You just put peanuts in. Or,
Man, you're cutting out on me. Let's try it again.
Taylor Lollard and Jeremy Orocho, Hidden Gem autograph.
yeah.
Yeah, not a problem, man. Take your time on it.
Joe
tonight,
Boyle out of
and
24.
I'll check them out tomorrow. when I get
Austin
here.
Martin, USA jersey. Hobie Harris.
Okay,
Jesse Franklin out of
this is basically
215.
where I'm at. I buy a lot of stuff because I mean,
But it'll.
we really do. We buy collections daily, mostly. I basically pay if it's something I can use. I basically pay.
Tyler Gentry out of
The
49.
general is about 50% of eBay. That's my general base. If it's something
Pete,
really,
oh
good,
nice.
I'll pay more.
18 of 25, Pete Crow-Armstrong. There you go.
But yeah. All right, sounds good. All right.
Nice pick on the box.
No, he doesn't have that much sway.
Sorry.
Okay,
Eddie Perez, 4 of 50. Dominican League prospect.
Bubble mailer and just stick it in there.
Xavier Warren.
Is this stuff that's going in that box?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I was gonna shut it and close it and wrap it, but I didn't know.
Yeah, not quite.
Okay. I won.
Rosario out of 9.99. Trey Cruz autograph.
Yeah, and it'll, but that's okay.
Oh, nice. German Ramirez out of 149. Bailey Horn. And here's box 2. Good luck, Roy.
No, just put it in one of those and roll it up, and we'll
Jin Juan Bay. 4 of 6. Man, nice low number. Prime number it's called. Sorry.
Okay, now you're reminding me of your mama, which is a good thing.
Rainer Vargas out of 149. Camilo Diaz. Roberto Campos out of 24.
Why don't we do the bubble? Yeah.
Asa Lacy, nice high draft pick USA jersey. Ryan Nelson autograph. Oh, we haven't seen many of those on the Contenders draft pick. And Cespedes out of 4.99.
Yeah.
Lofton. Jerry Rivera. Packy Naughton out of 38. Juan Vito. Justin Foscue out of 48. Evan White, prospect material.
You want another little piece there? Yeah.
Bradley Lindsay out of 61.
I found some. Okay.
And Owen Cassie out of 120. Oh man, way to go. Spencer Torkelson autograph. There you go, Roy.
Maybe.
Is that on the same case?
Yep, same case. Very nice, and that's on one of the Chromie.
Yeah, and then we'll just put some.
That's cool.
Some across the top.
Alexander Avalos and Elvin Gonzalez. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, I wondered if we would eventually hit one, but I do have more coming. I have another case, and then I have some loose boxes coming tomorrow. But for today, we got those.